Joey's gonna try to jump the chair. Take off, Joey. 3, 2, 1, go. Green, green, green. Fast, fast, fast. Didn't make it. Come on, hurry up. Think he's gonna make it, Amy?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Think fast, Joey. As fast as you can.
I'm trying to pray.
Fast, faster, hurry, hurry, hurry. Pedal, pedal, pedal. You can't slow down when you get there.
Get the pedaling on the road so you'll go a little faster. Then come in on the grass.
I wish you had a car to do that.
A car?
Yeah.
You can't even do it on a bike. Get on the grass. Get on the road, Joey, out of the grass. All right, pedal fast, 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 fast. Miss it. You did it. Good job. All right, you did it.
I wasn't fast enough.
Go a little faster.
Very medium. Very medium. I'm doing. This is my fast.
Now hurry up and run out of tape.
Kids, don't ever try this at home. Go.
Oh my. He's playing dead. He's just fine.